Make the bed. I am making the bed. I am making the bed. Arrange the pillows. I am arranging the pillows. I am arranging the pillows. Change the bed sheets. I am changing the bed sheets. I am changing the bed sheets. Fluff the pillows. I am fluffing the pillows. I am fluffing the pillows. Doing the laundry. I am doing the laundry. I am doing the laundry. Dry the clothes. I am drying the clothes. I am drying the clothes. Fold the laundry. I am folding the laundry. I am folding the laundry. Iron the pants. I am ironing the clothes. I am ironing the clothes. Vacuum the living room. I am vacuuming my bedroom. I am vacuuming my bedroom. Mop the floor. I am mopping the kitchen floor. I am mopping the kitchen floor. Clean the windows. I am cleaning the windows. I am cleaning the windows. Dust the furniture. I am dusting the furniture. I am dusting the furniture. Feed the dog. I am feeding the dog. I am feeding the dog. Water the plants. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. Peel the potatoes. I am peeling the potatoes. I am peeling the potatoes. Slice the tomatoes. I am slicing the tomatoes. I am slicing the tomatoes. Boil the water. I am boiling the water. I am boiling the water. Fry the eggs. I am frying the eggs. I am frying the eggs. Bake the bread. I am baking the bread. I am baking the bread. Stir the soup. I am stirring the soup. I am stirring the soup. Grill the chicken. I am grilling the chicken. I am grilling the chicken. Pour the milk. I am pouring the milk. I am pouring the milk. Taste the soup. I am tasting the soup. I am tasting the soup. Cook dinner. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. Set the table. I am setting the table. I am setting the table. Wash the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. Rinse the dishes. I am rinsing the dishes. I am rinsing the dishes. Organize the closet. I am organizing the closet. I am organizing the closet.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Hee hee.